All right, guys, quick little tip to get some real even cooking on the top rack. The bottom's always going to have a hot spot in the middle because that's where the fire pot is. But I've seen in some of their videos, the Pits and Spitts videos, they mentioned to move the drip tray underneath all the way to the left. I personally don't like that because you end up with a cool spot up here on top. Then it gets a little bit warmer here, and then it gets even warmer here. If you move the deflector plate all the way to the right, or the drip tray all the way to the right, then you end up with a hot spot here, cooler, and then cooler. What I prefer to do is I pull it all the way to the right and then push it about halfway to kind of close the gap there. And by closing the gap, you don't let so much hot air come up here to the left side, and it kind of helps even out temperatures. And you'll get within a couple degrees all the way across, super even cooking. And of course on the bottom, it'll be pretty even, except right here in the middle, you'll have a hot spot right where the fire is. But other than that, it'll be a little bit lower, closer to set point here, closer to set point here, and super even across the top. So kind of make your adjustments on that drip tray on the bottom, keep it somewhere in the middle, and you're gonna get super even cooking on the top whenever you're smoking something, and it works great.